This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Binance. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using the official Binance website or app to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, locate the Wallet option on the homepage. Click on it to view your available balances and transaction history. Step 3. Select the Withdraw option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose the cryptocurrency and enter details. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and provide the recipient's wallet address. Double-check the address to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review all the details of your withdrawal request, including fees and the recipient's address. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You may need to complete additional security verification steps. After completing these steps, your payout request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email or Binance notifications for updates on your transaction status.